Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Sauté aromatics first. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet and cook 1/2 cup diced onion and 2 crushed cloves garlic until translucent, about 4 minutes. This builds a fresh base. Stir in 1 tablespoon tomato paste and cook it 1 minute to caramelize and deepen the canned chili's flat tomato notes. Add 1/2 cup low-sodium chicken stock or water to loosen the texture, then pour the warmed, drained can of chili into the pan and stir to combine and heat through. Improve texture and substance by adding 1/2 cup canned beans, rinsed, or 6 Oz brown ground beef. Both add body and reduce metallic canned flavor. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon chili powder for umami and warmth. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 10 to 12 minutes to meld flavors and reduce excess liquid so the chili thickens. Taste mid-simmer and adjust salt. Canned chili often needs only a pinch, about 1/4 teaspoon, once other ingredients are added. Finish by balancing flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon brown sugar and 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar to tame acidity and brighten overall taste. Boost heat with a pinch of crushed red pepper or 1/2 teaspoon hot sauce if desired, and add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika for depth. Serve with garnishes: shredded cheese, 1/4 cup sour cream per bowl, sliced green onions, and chopped cilantro to taste. Cool and store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.